Attention all affiliate marketers. What better way is to get this software? Okay, Profit Studio or Studio Profit. But either way, it will profit you. When you pick an affiliate link, you promote it and you profit from selling other people's products from the vendors. Okay, so if you are interested in all-in-one package, then get this, because this is a great package to promote other people's affiliate links all in one. And not only that, this software will give you upcoming software products that are not out there in a few weeks ahead. You can promote top seller products here. You can find any type of products and promote it. You can create presentations about some of these products, and you get 40% off. You do have to apply a little bit of a type of investment to get this, because this is the best thing ever. You don't have to do research for yourself. So get Profit Studio today and check it out. Get more information, click on the link below this video. Ciao and bye. This is an all-in-one tool to make passive income with affiliate marketing. And this software is created by Adil Chowdhury. He is a highly recommended man that I really trust because of his support. He's got wonderful support. If you have any type of problems with your product, he cares for you. And I'm going to say that again and again. He does care for you if you're having any trouble. Now, he does do discounts. He does do new launches. You have to check out his products because all of his products are great. I have scribbled. Introducing Profit Studio. Profit Studio will help you solve these problems and finally succeed with affiliate marketing. Now, we struggle as an affiliate marketer if we don't know what we're doing. But this is an instant software that has the whole package that you need to take a look at. So if I scroll down, what will it do for me? Profit Studio will allow anyone to dive into affiliate marketing game and start collecting commissions instantly. Does that sound? Sounds great, right? Inside your dashboard, you'll find everything you need to start making money with affiliate offers. You can even cloak these links. Oh, that's so amazing. You can make lots of money doing this. There's tools, trainings that you no longer need to succeed because it's all in the software. So you will save money. Okay, you have to put a little bit investment in this. Okay, you get half off actually, and you can even contact support. You can make payments if you want to. They will work with you. They have the greatest support ever. Okay, there's so many digital products that you can actually promote. Okay, so this product is amazing. It's done for you. You can create amazing slides with using this software. Okay, so custom your templates. You can make you can create your own templates and import a video. This is so ready-made video presentations. You're not going to lose out. Okay, what you need to do in the software, you have to have your JZoo account ID, your ClickBank ID, and also your WordPress ID. Okay, so when you set up in your back office Profit Studio, there's a section where you have to give your ID, and it's gonna automatically link all your IDs to all the Profits promoting products. Okay, so Profit Studio is a way you should go. You can get detail from each campaign you run, which video channels or social platforms are configured, which distribution channel will make you the most money, which review videos has been submitted to generate traffic. Get real-time insight into your campaign, taking affiliate earnings to your next level. So you can email your list. There's an anti-theft commission protector. You won't be losing billions of dollars, or you won't be. It's going to be hard, especially if you cloak your affiliate links. So start earning passive income today. And there's so many people that are shopping online. So many people have small businesses. They're looking for digital products to help them and their business to grow. And everybody is looking for the easy way. In old-fashioned days back then, and way back in the days, they didn't have affiliate marketer. Being an affiliate marketer was really hard because you had to do every research yourself. You had to do everything well, and it was very hard, because I know when I started, it was really hard. It was hard to get ahead and make money. But this software, everything is in a package, and you can just it's all there. I don't have no complaints about it. This is a great product to invest, especially if you are a marketer. Okay, so take advantage of this right now while the laundry is still there. It's 40% off, and get started. Okay, it's not going to hurt you. It's actually going to help you with a lot of the headaches and the complications of how to do everything yourself. Why would you make your life harder where you can make it easier, and you can make presentations, you can make slide presentations, you can make templates, you can send them off to all your email lists, and the more people you build, people are going to be interested in what you're promoting. They're going to actually open up your link, and they're going to actually give you a little commission too as well. So everyone, I hope everyone have a blast day. Take care. See you in the next video. See what else I am promoting for you that you can help your business. All right, take care. God bless, and bye.